It's very rare to find this at the dealership. Today we have 3 bad boys on the floor of the dealership. With the first sight, you can see the twins and the father. Today we are focusing on the father. This is where we all pay respect to Volkswagen to bring us sport hatchback. 4-pipe in the VW family means business. Another way, this is the Lord of Volkswagen, the place where we all surrender and praise. Let's all welcome the King of Volkswagen 2024 Volkswagen GolfR. This is not the car you can just buy at the mall. This is the fully spec Volkswagen GolfR with a drifting mode and big spoiler. Yes, whatever that you are thinking, it's right. We are talking about over R1 million for the hatchback. We will talk about that later. Now we have to talk about the exterior of this brand new 2024 hatchback. Volkswagen never compromises when it's come to aggressively look for GolfR. Front end looks so much aggressive with an R badge, meaning GolfR. As I am next to the Golf GTI, it's little more to compare together, but on the front end they almost look the same except the badge and the fog light, which GolfR doesn't have them to show the aggressive look and those traditional lower open lip for Volkswagen. Those LED matrix headlights complement the front end of this GolfR. Plus those swapping signal lights makes GolfR to stand out. The question is, how much power does this GolfR give us? We are talking about 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine which pushes out 235 kilowatts and 400 newtons meter of torque, mated to a quick shifting 7-speed dual clutch transmission with a top speed of 250 km per hour and 0 from 100 km per hour in just 4.8 seconds, with an average fuel consumption of 7.8 liter per 100 kilometer, which in real life people are experiencing 10.9 liter per 100 kilometer, and fuel range of 705 kilometer and fuel tank of 55 liters. As we talked earlier that we are talking about over R1 million hatchback, yes it is. Let me give you a quick briefing. The base model is priced at 821,826 rand. Those GolfR you will find mostly on the road. This fully spec'd GolfR with a drifting mode is priced at 1,086,100 rand. If we take that amount to finance on zero deposit with an interest rate of 13.75% for 72 payments, it gives us 22,235 rand, plus or minus 4,000 for premium insurance with a full tank of 55 liters per 22 rand, 49 as a current petrol price. It gives us 1,236 rand. This brings us to monthly cost of ownership 27,471 rand, 95 cents. On the side, GolfR comes with 19-inch alloy wheels and sporty suspension setup. On these alloy wheels comes with an R badge and caliper with a blue accent and R badge, and also on the fender there's an R badge to remind you that this is not just ordinary Golf. This is the godfather of Volkswagen hatchback. Before saying anything more, let's just congratulate Volkswagen. They know what to bring to the people. Well done, Volkswagen. At the back, Volkswagen comes with an R badge to remind you this is not just Golf. If you can't differentiate the Golf GTI and the GolfR, here it's what you will see from the back of a GolfR. You will be welcomed by those 4 Akrapovic exhaust pipe That's where you will have to know this is the king of Volkswagen on the road. Anyway, the interior looks so stunning. Volkswagen comes with this blue accent ambient light, but I'm not sure if you can change or customize those lights to turn red or another color, but blue is the color for GolfR. As a reminder, this is the king in the Volkswagen family. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show you how this car looks at night. You are welcomed by these small LED lights behind the door handle, and when you open the door, there's also lights under the door panel. So interesting to see Volkswagen improving to that highly level, with also light from the under exterior mirror. For the record, R badge doesn't wear each and every Volkswagen. Only GolfR and Tiguan R. Those are the only two cars which has 4 pipe from Volkswagen. Well, I was able to control this screen with this touch they came with. Unfortunately, Volkswagen didn't do an excellent job, as it's little fussy and slow to respond as they attach. But luckily enough, they realized the mistake. On the facelift, they returned the real buttons. Everywhere in this car, there's blue accent. And one of the things that you realize when you enter GolfR is those big pedal shift, bigger than for GTI. This one stand out and tell you that I have pedal shift. On this GolfR, there is this new gear shifting knob which looks different from the old Volkswagen or old Golf. It's small and very useful rather than using those big ones. As an update for Volkswagen, as this is the king of Volkswagen, I guess in terms of reverse camera, it should have come with 360 reverse camera. For the sake of this is the king of Volkswagen, and also for the sake of the price tag. Some competitors comes with a 360 camera, and Volkswagen still come with this one reverse camera and those reverse parking sensor. Doesn't make sense for the price tag, except that those digital cockpit and instrument cluster, they are very useful, as they have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also map from inside the Volkswagen with also the Harman Kardon sound system. This is still Golf or Volkswagen brand. Comes with panoramic sunroof, which in my opinion is supposed to come with electronic sunroof cover rather than using manual. In my opinion, they have done enough to worth R1 million for this brand new GolfR hatchback from Volkswagen. It's price worthy. That price comes with warranty and service plan, 3-year 120,000 kilometer warranty, and 5-year 100,000 kilometer maintenance plan with 15,000 kilometer service interval. They really mean business when they talk about blue accent. As you can see, the seats are heated and cooling, and also they have blue accent. At the rear, the car looks exactly like a GTI in terms of practicality and how people can sit at the back with the armrest and the cup holders, and also effective air conditioning. And black, guys, is the color of this GolfR, as you can see. At the back, Volkswagen is supposed to give us the electric tailgate. For the price and for the sake of this is the biggest Golf you can get from Volkswagen, why they don't give us electric tailgate? And unfortunately, in this car you don't get spare wheel, it's run flat. You can get yourself this Volkswagen Beast at Volkswagen Trichardt. This is not the car you can just buy at the mall. As I already said, you have to order yourself through Volkswagen Trichardt for R1 million. Rate us on how we are doing a freestyling and where we can rectify our mistakes and where we can improve. Nevertheless, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Support local YouTube. Take care until the next one.